We have already known about the different parts of the plant. Then we go forward the different type of roots. Generally we found two type of roots, okay, like this. First one is fibrous root. See, second one is taproot. Fibrous root and another one is taproot. This is spread into the soil, okay, and this is straight vertical in size. It is thick and this is thin roots are available there. This is thick. So next slide we have seen very clearly. Okay, now we go to discuss about the difference between taproot and fibrous root. When we talk about the fibrous taproot, it go deep inside the soil, deep inside. That means than the fibrous root. And fibrous roots have many branches, but we have not found in taproot. We have not found in taproot. There is many branches, but we have that as compared to the fibrous root, we cannot get in fibrous root. Okay, then next one is it does not go deep into the soil, and it can goes deep into the soil. That is, this is different type of taproot. This is one type of taproot, and this is one type of also taproot. This is one type of fibrous. This is one type of fibrous roots, and this is one type of fibrous roots, taproot and taproot. Then this is one type of taproot, and this is fibrous root. And fibrous root generally helps us to prevent the soil erosion. It also helps us, but as compared to the taproot, fibrous root also help us to prevent the soil erosion. Soil erosion means what? To remove the upper part of the soil, top part of the soil. top part means ऊपर पार्ट जो होता है, ऊपर का पार्ट होता है सॉइल का ऊपर पार्ट, पहला पार्ट जो होता है, जो पहले लेयर, फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल, इट इज नोन एज टॉप लेयर. And to stop the soil erosion, and it generally helps by the fibrous roots. Then we go to discuss about the example of different taproots and fibrous roots. When we discuss about the taproots, there are different examples are there, okay, like radish, turnip, carrot, etc. Then when we talk about the fibrous root, different examples are there: marigold, rice, wheat, okay, marigold, this one, marigold, rice, wheat, grass, different type of grass are also there, that is comes under fibrous root. Okay, and except that two type of roots, another two roots also available, okay, in our surrounding, exceptionally available, that is next one is that is known as aerial root, and another one is that is mangrove root. We discuss in the next slide. Okay, when we discuss about the aerial root, it gives strength, and with the help of aerial roots, that the branches, that is generally that aerial roots that comes from the branches of a banyan tree. Basically we have seen in banyan tree this type of roots, aerial roots, that gives strength to the trees. Strength, that means we with that help of that roots, okay, and that help of roots we cannot imagine the strength of a root. That means from that roots, from the help of that roots, that a banyan tree can become more strength and more capable in. Okay, then another one thing is, that is, it is also we have seen, generally we have seen this root is under the soil, but we have seen this type of roots above the soil. Okay, and it is basically we have seen in banyan trees, and it is spread over a large area and give extra support to the trees. Okay, this is one type of that is this type of this one is roots. Okay, comes from the branches. But generally we have seen in which trees? Banyan trees. Okay, then we have to discuss that another type of roots, that is known as mangrove roots. See, so what is that picture? There is water and there is roots and there is trees. Sir, how can it survive in the water? Yes, yes, it is possible. Okay, a trees that is known as mangrove trees, and generally we have found that type of trees in swamp areas. Swamp area, you see that water is there, water particle is there, and that swamp areas that we can see this type of trees, and that trees, you see, generally we have seen the roots that exist in under the soil, but here you see that roots that's above the soil, that roots is exist. That means we have seen clearly that roots, different type of roots are there, and that is above the soil. Then next one is, and how it helps to the trees. This is some part of the, that is that roots become known as, that is breathing roots. These roots become known as breathing roots. How? Breathing. Okay, see, then next another slides also there. Okay, that is also we have seen also that previous pictures that we have seen different type of roots and different type of mangroves. This is also, see, this another picture that is of mangrove roots. Okay, and this is known as breathing roots because it breathe under the soil. They grow above the soil as they cannot breathe under the soil, and they help the plant to breathe. They help the plant, this root help the plant to breathe, and they cannot breathe under the soil. That means they cannot breathe under the soil, above the soil they can breathe easily, and means on that type of roots that we can see only in the swamp areas and basically in the mangrove trees. Okay, so this is all about our lecture. Okay, thank you all.